Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enroll in the Windows Insider program on your Windows 11 computer to get the latest updates before the general release. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Windows Update on the left side. And then on the right side, select Windows Insider Program. Get preview views of Windows to share feedback on new features and updates. Select that. And at this point, you will need a Microsoft account to link to your Windows Insider program here, so you can't just use this with a local account. So you have to go ahead and actually fill out the information and then connect to the Windows Insider program. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.